this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 25th April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. So, US market, all three indices ended more or less flat yesterday. Dow ended flat with a negative bias, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended flat with a positive bias. And stock wise, if you look at stocks, also traded more or less flat today. Not much movement among the Magnificent 7 stocks and other stocks as well in US market yesterday. But one stock, Tesla, that moved up around 13% higher yesterday. That's mainly because Tesla results came out yesterday, and also there was announcement about the manufacturing of affordable car in the existing manufacturing facility itself. So only because of this reason the stock went up higher by around 13% yesterday. But otherwise, if you look at the results, were not that great. So profits fell by around 55% and revenue also fell by around 9%. But investors are hoping that the new affordable car, EV affordable car, is likely to push the sales up for Tesla in the coming days. And the announcement also made with a confidence that they are going to sell this car in the next 6 months to 1 year. So hope that will probably make Tesla increase its market share in the globe. So that's the main reason why Tesla stock traded higher by around 13% yesterday. So if you look at Brent crude trading at $88 and US 10-year bond trading at 4.65, again it's high only. So we should hope this should come down and trade at 4.2 level, so that the US stocks market the stability increases. And the Biden government has announced about $95 billion of aid for Ukraine, Taiwan, Gaza as well as Israel. So this is another main update. But if you look at the futures were trading significantly lower today. So Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq all were trading lower in the futures market. So we have to wait and watch how US market trades tonight actually. So that's the update from the US market. So before we move on to the Indian market updates, so I am sharing my expiry day options, expiry day related trade today. So today it's Nifty month end expiry. So between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. I did a few trades today. So in one of the, it's all call sell actually. So I sold 22,500 call, 22,550 call, 22,600 call and 22,650 call. So 4 trades I did with different quantities. So in 22,500, so there was a loss of about 3,000. But other 3 trades, 22,550, 22,600 and 22,650, I am able to manage some profit. So overall in these 3 trades the profit is around 10,000. But in 22,500 the loss is about 3,000. So overall if you look at in these 2 hours I made a profit of around 7,000. So I am just sharing the slide. You can pause and have a look into it. So this is my expiry day related trade done today. Coming back to the Indian market, so the way Nifty kickstarted today, no one expected that Nifty will end above 22,500 today. So today morning when the market started, both Nifty and Bank Nifty traded lower today. Nifty was down by around 50 to 70 points. So until 1 p.m. then Nifty moved gradually up and it traded flat with yesterday's price closing. So Nifty was trading flat till 1 p.m. but after 1 p.m. both Nifty and Bank Nifty started trading higher. It's purely a short covering rally because it's a month-end expiry for Nifty. So it's a pure short covering rally, and Nifty after 1 p.m. Nifty gradually moved higher. At one point in time it was up by around 220 points. So Nifty crossed the 22,600 mark and went up to 22,600 and very close to 22,620. Then finally ended at 22,570. So that is how Nifty and Bank Nifty traded today. So in Bank Nifty, if you look at Kotak Mahindra Bank, there was a restriction by RBI announcement yesterday. So they cannot issue credit cards, and their online account opening also there is a restriction now by RBI. So because of which Kotak Mahindra Bank traded 10% lower throughout the day. But if you look at this, Kotak Mahindra impact is seen only with Kotak Mahindra Bank, and most of the other banking stocks traded higher. That is mainly because Axis Bank came out with an impressive result, and Axis Bank stock ended up by 7% higher today, and that has driven other banks also higher. If you look at Nifty PSU Bank traded higher by around 3.66% today. So Indian Overseas Bank, SBI, UCO Bank and Bank of India, so all traded higher in the Nifty PSU Bank indices. And this is an update about banking sector. Banking sector, because of Axis Bank, all banks traded higher, but the impact of Kotak Bank is left only with Kotak Bank, that does not spread to other banks. So that is the beauty of today's banking trading today actually. So Nifty IT, TCS, Infosys traded higher today, but Persistent System, L&T and LTI Mindtree traded lower today. Vodafone Idea, the FPO price was 11, so today the stock traded first day after the FPO, and the stock traded higher and ended at 13.85. Inox Wind stock traded higher by 6% today. That is mainly because the board has announced a bonus share issue for the Inox Wind. So the bonus share ratio is 3:1. So for every one share the investor is holding, they will get 3 free shares. So that is something good news for Inox Wind investor. And other stocks, MCX up by 7%, IEX up by 3%, and Indian Hotels down by around 5%. Few cement stocks traded lower today. Key cement stocks, Dalmia, India Cement, Ambuja Cement, Sri Cement and Ultratech Cement traded lower today. Salt stocks impacted by results. So Nestle India up 2.5%, HUL, LTI Mindtree, Laurus Lab, Vedanta were down after the Q4 result. So ITC up by around 2%. So Hitachi Energy India, another stock, it's up by around 13% today. That is because the Hitachi India is looking to open more global capability centers in India to expand the operation. So that is mainly because the growing energy demand in India, that the renewable energy, there is a push and there is a demand in India. So because of which they are opening more global capability centers in India. So because of this news, the Hitachi Energy India stock up by around 13%. And Neogen Chemical, this stock up by around 11%. That is mainly brokerage. Kotak Institutional Equities gave a buy rating for this stock, and the target price is 1840. So after 11% up today, now the stock is trading at 1545. So the target Kotak Institutional Equities announced is 1840 per share. So according to this, there is still scope for this stock to move up. Bharat Forge up by around 7% today. That is mainly because BofA Securities double upgraded this stock. So analysts see around 18% upside for this stock today, but this stock up by around 7% and ended at 1312 today. So these are all the updates from the Indian market today. So overall, if you look at, it's a short covering rally today. So until 1 p.m. Nifty and Bank Nifty were trading flat. After, it's a short covering rally from 1 p.m. till end of day today. So it crossed 22,600 mark, finally settled at 22,570 today. So we were discussing about the Nifty range between 22,000 to 22,500, but today Nifty crossed 22,600 in spite of the Kotak Mahindra Saha actually. So in spite of Kotak Mahindra Bank down more than 10% today because of the RBI restrictions, still all banking stocks moved higher. That has caused Bank Nifty to ended higher today, and Nifty also ended higher today. So most of the large cap stocks, Reliance, TCS, Infosys, so all traded higher. That's why Nifty moved up around 150 points higher today. So if you look at yesterday and day before yesterday, it's a consolidation for Nifty. So yesterday and day before yesterday, it was up by around 30 points, and it's mainly because the expiry day challenge and the short covering rally had led Nifty to rise up to 150 points today and ended at 570 points. So thank you for, this is the update from the Indian market. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.